table, hay in your stable. How about you give thanks tonight with that hick on a tractor getting after that simple life? He's up with the sun, still moving when it goes back down. This world needs a bunch of them busted knuckle small town blue collars, burning them wheels, turning them fields into dollars. Tough as nails come hell or high water. God made the sea, God made the dirt, and knew the world needed people who would work a little harder. So God made the farmer. If there's grain in your shot glass, fast boats got gas. If you got cotton on your back, there's a dust cloud of combines cutting under headlights. Thank God for folks like that. Blue collars, burning them wheels, turning them fields into dollars. Tough as nails come hell or high water. God made the sea, God made the dirt, and knew the world needed people who would work a little harder. So God made the farmer. I'm a harvester in Oklahoma, dairy up in Minnesota, rolling acres of Midwest gold, growing soybeans in Indiana, winter wheat in Alabama, making the world go. Them blue collars, burning them wheels, turning them fields into dollars. Tough as nails come hell or high water. God made the sea, God made the dirt. He knew the world needed people who would work a little harder. So God made the farmer. God made the farmer. In the middle of the heartland, the year 1954, an open cab John Deere and a hand-me-down Ford, 100 head of Chester Whites, 4 kids and his wife. Granddaddy was a simple man, and he loved the simple life. 4 square miles of home, where the corn's knee-high by the 4th of July and the Ambrol flows. And everything I know lies in 4 square miles of home. Highway 50 going 65 on my way to LA. Thought I left that life behind, gonna make it big someday. Stars out there ain't half as bright as they make them out to be. Might be closer to the sunset, but ain't nowhere near as sweet as those 4 square miles of home, where the corn's knee-high by the 4th of July and the Ambrol flows. And everything I know lies in 4 square miles of home. 4 square miles. Those 4 square